preserve the freshness of asparagus all year long with our guide to freezing this versatile vegetable. Learn the simple steps and enjoy the taste of spring anytime. Hi there, I'm Sabrina, a food enthusiast from Blogging at Food. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Let's dive right in. Step 1, Wash and cut asparagus. Wash asparagus thoroughly in cold water to remove dirt or debris. Cut off the woody ends of the asparagus spears, typically about an inch from the bottom. Hold the spear with one hand and bend it until it snaps to discard the woody ends. Step 2, Blanching asparagus. Bring a pot of water to a boil and add a teaspoon of salt. Add the asparagus spears to the pot and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes until bright green and tender but still slightly crisp. Asparagus from the boiling water and immediately place them in a bowl of ice water to stop the cooking process. Step 3, Drain and dry. Remove the asparagus from the ice water and drain them well in a colander. Pat them dry with a clean towel to remove any excess moisture. Step 4, Freezing. Freeze the asparagus in a single layer on a baking sheet or directly in a freezer-safe container or bag.